Tabby Sokambi is my name, the Fresh Prince of Radio. Ek sal met jou alipad tot 6 uur en ek het nou vir jou 'n vraagie gevra man. I am searching for the biggest hot cross bun in our Gauteng broadcasting region. Baie dankie vir al die lekker boodskapies wat deurgekom het. 0848500942. Andre Schultz, dankie vir jou boodskap. Joanne V, dankie vir jou boodskap en Quinta. 'n boodskapie van jou ook afgekry en dan het ek hierdie boodskapies gekry wat nogals on point is. Mandy out of Randburg says, okay, so I popped into a local, ek gaan dit maar so 'n local noem, and they had a massive hot cross bun on display. I think it was just for show, so I'm not sure if they're going to sell it or not, but I asked them to actually sell it to me. So yeah, okay, I get you. So daai kant toe in Randburg, sharp. Dan het ek vir Tumi hierso uit Centurion. Tumi says, you won't believe it, but I actually saw the biggest one at the Irene market last Easter. Okay, Tumi, but we want this one. This now, Tumi. But thank you very much. I think that's actually a very good point that you're making there. Kevin sê vir my broer, jy moet dit check in die Oosrand. Het is daar 'n familie wat 'n bakkery het en hulle het een massiewe ene gemaak. Weet jy wat, Kevs, ek het hierdie ouetjie ook uitgestuur. Sy naam is Eyrod. Hy is die regisseur van my program, maar ook iemand wat ek lekker kan uitstuur, man. Eyrod, where do you find yourself? Het jy ene gekry?
Well, I'm out and about in Silver Lakes at the moment. So we've traveled from Pretoria North, that area. We went a little bit Montana around there. And the very nice thing is that I'm going to be full for the next week because I may not always find the biggest one, but I think I'm going to have the biggest stomach after everything. Everybody wants me to taste.
You are supposed to eat.
Well, all I can say is delicious. It's been, wow. Can I just say, I've tasted some spicy ones, I've tasted some sweet ones. With regards to something being very big, I haven't yet found one like that. The biggest one I've seen so far is pretty much, let's say 2 fists. If you put 2 fists together, I've seen one about that size. Okay. That's the biggest one that I've seen so far. So ek weet nie of daar maybe 'n groter een iewers anders is nie.
Ons moet 'n groter een kry. Ons moet definitief 'n groter een kry. And I believe that we will get one because I'm also of the knowledge that the Sunday Times as well as News 24, they basically had this competition going, right, of finding the best tasting and of finding soos wat jy nou gesê, daar's verskillende geure ook, daar's 'n chocolate ene, daar's verskillende spices ook en so voorts en ons is nou op soek na die grootste ene. Reg, so dear listener, if you are listening right now, 0848500942 en jy het al 'n grootte gesien. Sê vir my waar dit is dat ek vir Eyrod kan sê dat hy soontoe kan gaan en soos wat ek sê, there's method to our madness. Daar is iets wat ons hiermee wil doen. 0848500942. Eyrod, ek gaan jou los, gaan search asseblief 'n bietjie meer. Ek gaan jou nou weer bel.
Okay, not a problem. Okay, perfect.
Jacaranda FM.
Tabby Sokambi is my name, the Fresh Prince of Radio. Ek is saam met jou al die pad tot 6 uur as we are on the search, man. Ek is op soek na daai ene. We're searching for the biggest hot cross bun in our Gauteng broadcaster region. Ek het vir Eyrod out and about om natuurlik hierdie ouetjie nou vir ons te kry en te vind. En soos wat ek altyd sê, there is a method to my madness. Shamaine uit Rodepoort, en dit is sulke oulike, I must say, I love this one. Shamaine uit Rodepoort sê, I was at my auntie's church bazaar, and there was an uncle there that brought one massive hot cross bun on a tray. I can picture it. But daar is lekker en ek hoop jy het ook kerk toe gegaan en ek hoop jy het kerk geniet. Want natuurlijk there is a reason why we're celebrating Easter, right? Indeed, man. C. Paul, all the way from Midrand, saying there's a pop-up at a mall each and every Easter and they really go wild at exploring even different shapes. Maar nou wonder ek, C. Paul, I don't know. I think a hot cross bun should be round, man. You know, I think it should be round. But I like that, though. I like that. Dit forceer ons om 'n bietjie buite kan die kamer te dink. As ek dit net so kan stel. Jolene sê, I've been out and about and I saw one huge one at the Super Spa Saxby. Nou kyk. Dit is mos hier om die draai. Wag. Eyrod.
Yes, sir.
I think we might have found one, eh?
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Because I seem to be finding ones that are just getting smaller and smaller. So we're going the opposite direction at the moment.
Are they getting smaller and smaller because you're eating them?
Listen, this weather is amazing. I'm just saying.
Deviating. Oh man. Hey Rod, kom ons doen dit. Kan ek vir jou vra asseblief? Ek is nou nie seker waar jy nou is op die oomblik en ek hoop nie dis te ver nie. Kom ons doen dit. Gaan Saxby toe asseblief. En gaan check dit gou uit. Ek gaan in die meantime vir Jolene ook net bel en vir haar vra waar presies en hoe sy dit gesien. But in the meantime, please go to that super spa in Saxby. I want that big hot cross bun, man.
100%. So for you, anything.
Dankie. Ag, dankie, Eyrod. Weet jy maak sommer net my Easter even meer lekker. Dankie.
Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
As we are on the search for the biggest hot cross bun in our Gauteng broadcasting region. Ek het vir Eyrod altyd 'n band gestuur. Ek het vir hom gesê ek glo ek het 'n antwoordjie gekry van waar die grootste ene is op die oomblik. Ek het hom gou 'n Saxby toe gestuur na die super spar toe daar. So Eyrod, sê vir my asseblief jy het dit gekry.
Dude, you won't believe it, eh?
Okay.
Not only did we find one, we have found 6 of the biggest hot cross buns you have seen this side of the Boerenbos curtain.
Stop it. So
Dude, this massive.
Oh wow. I didn't think, okay, een ding, ek moet vir jou sê, ek het nie gedink ons sal iets anders kry behalwe natuurlik die verskillende geure, there's spicy ones, there's chocolate ones, en ek het nou nog 'n boodskap hier gekry van daar's nou verskillende shapes ook. But there is actually like huge ones.
Listen, Tabiso, so what I want you to do,
Okay.
to just describe to you how monstrous these things are. I want you to make a circle with your arms and make sure that your fingers touch in the front.
What? Kyk maar, ek
It's
het
monstrous.
It's
Huge. Listen, I probably won't even fit. So I'm going to be sending you some photos and some videos of these hot cross buns. As you said, I'm out about here at Saxby in Centurion at the Super Spa. A super spa with super hot cross buns.
Is daar moontlikheid dat ons miskien met iemand daar kan praat? Because I would love to know why they chose to make the big hot cross buns.
No, 100%. We do have the manager here. Manager Miss, she's got the most beautiful blonde hair. Say hello for Tabiso van Jacaranda FM.
Hallo.
Hallo, ekskuus, met wie praat ek?
Dis Anja hier by Saxby Superspar.
Anja. Hoekom het julle besluit om sulke ek hoor Eyrod sê dis groter as my palm.
Dit is heel wat groter as jou palm. Dit is so 3.5 kg se deeg per hot cross bun en ons het besluit om 'n giant tray of 6s te maak. So hy is bietjie groter as jou palm.
Oh my goodness. Kyk jy, as jy nou praat van sixes, al wat ek dink is net die six-pack van my wat nou gaan verdwyn as ek daai moet eet. Maar
Definitief.
maar nietemin Anja, baie dankie and happy Good Friday. Dankie.
Same to
Yes,
you.
ek moet sê Spar, julle doen amazing goed, man. Ek meen from the women's walk that you guys have in always in the month of August to actually partnering with us for Carols by Candlelight. It's actually amazing werk wat julle doen. And you guys don't stop. Now you make amazing hot cross buns as well. Wat amazing is, Anja. Maar baie dankie. We truly appreciate. Kan Eyrod maar vir my enetjie terugbring?
100%. Ons stuur vir jou met liefde.
Ag, dankie.
Jy moet 'n lekker dag hê.
Dankie. Jy ook baie dankie.
Bye.
Eyrod,
Yes, sir.
ek dink bring vir my asseblief enetjie terug, maar ek dink ek wil hê ons moet giving wees. Daar's natuurlik in hierdie tyd mense wat nie altyd kos het nie en mense wat nie so bevoorreg is soos ons nie. I read this quote today actually. Dit was vandag. Ons is besig om iemand se lewe te lewe wat voordroom en dit is ons normal. Dit is ons everyday, jy weet. Where can we drop off these hot cross buns?
Tell you what, I was thinking about that now,
Yeah.
and I'm like, listen, it would be so nice because it's Easter, and usually, especially the young kids, always go out and try to find Easter eggs and things like that.
100%, yes,
So,
Easter egg guns.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? So the thing is, I thought, why don't we have a bit of a chat with the guys from Feed a Child, and I'll head over there right now with those 6 monstrous hot cross buns, and we can help feed some needy people this Easter season.
This is amazing. Eyrod, as jy daar so aankom, sê vir hulle asseblief ek sê hallo. As jy vir ons 'n recording kan maak dit asseblief en dan speel ek dit môre uit. Ek dink daar gaan cool wees. And thank you, man. Thank you for driving up and down the whole of Pretoria. Ek sal vir jou 'n petrolgeltjie spot. Ek sal vir jou 'n petrolgeltjie spot. No.
Hoor jy te luister? Listen, you're amazing, hey? Stop it, I like it.
Weer eens 'n groot dankie vir die superspar daarso by Saxby. Ek het nou met Anya gepraat and it's cool that it's super cool that they made that huge hot cross bun. En ja, kom ons gaan skenk dit. Kom ons gaan skenk dit. Dankie, Eirot.
Thank you.
Away.
Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
So girls and boys, let's make some noise! Can you believe it? An amazing day. Hoe gaan dit met jou so weesens? Wie is jy en ons het net hier so aangekom by Feed a Child. Tell me a bit more about Feed a Child. Ja, weer eens, stel jezelf voor.
Hey Aaron, thank you. This is so amazing. Have you ever seen a hot cross bun like this?
Hey, they are massive.
It is amazing, huge.
They are insanely big, eh?
Yeah.
Can you believe it?
So my name is Elsa Rottenbach. I am the founder and CEO of Feed a Child. Our charity organization has been in existence for 15 years now, and this is what we do. We feed people. Our goal is to distribute at least 1 million meals a year. And sure, how many meals did you say this is?
Hey, I tell you per person, my goodness. Thank you so much to Saxby Supersport, which is around the corner from you guys. So go and visit them, of course. As you can see, you've got the hot cross buns and you've got all those over there as well. Incredible. Thank you so much and have a wonderful Easter.
Thank you so much, and thank you Saxby Sport. Thank you for choosing Feed a Child. We are definitely going to distribute it still today. And it's still even hot, so yes, look at this. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.